Number 21. Defensive rebound. No good. Drama. Number 1. Defensive rebound. Number 22. Good shot. No good pa rin. Number 1. Offensive rebound. Number 15. With the ball. So, look at the pass. 2 points. Number 1. Pass. Alley-oop. Alley-oop is good. 21. Outlet. Number 15. Mr. Castro. Foul. Number 15. Uy, no look pass. Tumira ng 3. No good. Number 21, saving the ball. LeBron with shot. Defensive rebound. Number 2, with the defensive rebound. 2v1, passing. Tumira ng 3. The ball.
Ibang game na rin. Video. Laro namin.
15. Bounce pass. 21. Shot. Switch. Number 28. Rico. Tulog naman. Number 22. 2 points. Grabe naman yun. 15. No good. Libless assassin with the ball. Crossover. Sumapit. No good, no good. Number 15, Mr. Castro driving the ball. Power move. 2 points. Ang score, 10-14. Number 1, tumira ng 3. Bang! 3 points. Number 15 with the ball. Pinasa sa number 23. Number 23. Number 1, defensive rebound. 3P2 pass break. Number 28, to right, floater. No good. Number 1, offensive rebound. Number 28, 2 points. Number 8, 15. Number 15. Oy, fake pass. Number 21, libre. Back shot. Ang score natin ay 12-19. Isimula pa lang ang halftime show. Number 22. Number 2. Layo na 3. Airball. Number 21. Pass break. Tinas sa 15. Uy, grabe namang fake pass yun. Number 15. Power move. Number 21. 2 points. Grabe naman yun. Number 1 with the ball. Ang score natin ay 14-19. Labang lang ang 5. Magaling kasi ako sa math. Number 1, 3 points. Bang! Grabe naman. 14-22. Last 6 minutes. Number 8 with the ball. All around the world. 2 points. Number 28 to number 1. Di Papatina. Number 1 with the ball. Tumira na naman na 3. No good. Airball. Number 8 with the ball. To number 15. Mr. Castro. Lumea. Wow. Pow. 15, pinasa kay Sleepless Assassin. Balik. Number 15, pinasa sa 21. Sleepless Assassin, corner shot, no good. Number 22, defensive rebound. Number 28, 2v2 pass break, scoop shot, no good. Defensive rebound, number 21. Number 21, napaka-basic, 2 points. 18, 22, lamang lang ng apat. Last 5 minutes. Number 1 with the ball, number 22. Setting the offense. Oh, to drive. Oy, sumapit. 28, 8 back play. 22. Ay, na-steal. Grabe naman yun. 15, libre-libre. 2 points. Number 28, with the ball. Number 1, 2 points. Lamang lang. Ay, foul. Balik ang score. Ibalik mo yung score. 20, 22. Lamang lang ng toss. Number 2 with the ball. No look pass. Number 1, 2 points pa rin. Sana din alam natin binura. 21 with the ball. Crossover. Natapik. Outside. 21 inbound play. Corner shot. No good. 22 defensive rebound. Foul. Pushing foul. Mr. Castro, pushing foul. Number 2 with the ball. No look pass. Sleepless Assassin. Tumira ng 3. Bang! 27-20. Number 8 with the ball. Number 8, hook shot, 2 points. Lamang lang ng 5. 22-27. Number 2 with the ball. Sleepless Assassin. Uy. Big shot. Uy. Number 21, turnover. Sleepless. Uy. Ganda na ng pakan. 2 points. O, baba na. Lamang lang na. Uy, ganda ng steal. Sleepless Assassin. Ay, no good. Number 2, defensive rebound. Number 22 with the ball. Last 2 minutes na tayo. To right. Ay. Number 1, libre sa 3. Tumira ng 3. No good. Sila doon. Ay, Kaki. Steal. Number 2. Big pass. Uy, natapik. Number 15. 2v1 pass break. Binitbitan. Wow. Saan po yung ballpen?
It's a rolling, not a stop. Watch it the
Inbound. Number 15.
Dalawang megas ko sa seconds. seconds, 16 seconds shot clock.
Number 22. Wala. Sleeveless assassin. Big shot. 2 points. Ito. Low. Low. So, sino yung Charlie? Sino yung Charlie dito? Charlie. Okay, Charlie. Kakalaro niyo lang po? Kakalaro lang. Sige. Noel, Michael, Ben, Edilon, Alex, Drew, KP. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tapos si Joshua Perenya. Yeah. So again, for game 5, Noel, Michael, Ben, Edilon, Alex, Drew, KD. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Saka si John Perenya. Isa ba si John Perenya? Saka si Gabriel Perenya. Isa pa yung Gabriel Perenya. Tapos ako. Hello.